Hello everybody, welcome to CAMS Engineering. This is part 4 and the last video for how to make a powerful subassembly from Autodesk Subassembly Composer. In previous 3 videos we had seen how to make different conditions. Today I will continue from last point. Let's start. Now let's see our undercut for cut condition. Insert a flowchart and give it the name. First, we will give our input parameters. The first one is ucut. It is not double, it is yes/no. Its default value is yes, its display name is cut undercut required. As we know, for flexibility purpose, we will replace the undercut part with rock and selected material. The second one, or you can give any name. It's double. Its default value is 0.4. Its display name is rock fill undercut. Please change it to 0.6. The third one, you can give any name. It's double. Its default value is 0.4. Its display name is select fill undercut. First, we will make 2 links. Insert a link. It starts from point 48 and ends on point 10. Insert another link. It starts from point 52 and ends on point 28. Now insert a decision. Its condition is ucut is equal to yes. It is case sensitive. Please write correctly or copy paste. If it is yes, insert a point. It is delta x delta y. It starts from point 6. Its delta y value is negative. Selected replacement thickness and draw a link. Insert another point. It is delta x delta y. It starts from point 10. Its delta y value is negative. Selected replacement thickness. Delete the link. Now we will create a point between a link and a point. Insert intersection point. Its type is link 2 point slope. The link is link 92, the point is point 118, and the slope will be our shoulder slope. You see, if we increase our ditch depth, the point is on ditch link. Then insert a link. It starts from point 28 and ends on point 119. Insert another link. It starts from point 118 and ends on point 119. Insert another link. It starts from point 118 and ends on point 117. Finally, we will make our selected replacement shape. Now we will make our rock replacement. Insert a point. It is delta x delta y. It starts from point 117. Its delta y value is negative rock replacement thickness, and draw a link. Insert another point. It is delta x delta y. It starts from point 18. Its delta y value is negative rock replacement thickness. Delete the link. Insert intersection point. Its type is 2 points slope. The first point is point 121. Its slope will be our shoulder slope. The second point is point 27. Its slope will be negative large number for vertical slope. Then insert a link. It starts from point 122 and ends on point 27. Insert another link. It starts from point 122 and ends on point 121. Insert another link. It starts from point 120 and ends on point 121. Finally, we will make our rock replacement shape. Let's check by increasing our ditch depth. Yes, it works. And now let's change point number and link number for two ditches to use it. Please see point 28 and point 27, which are our ditch bottom edges. Change to masonry U ditch. As you have seen it is not working, but it works by simply changing point and link number. Please change point 35 to point 28. It works for upper one. Please change point 34 to point 27. It works for both, but the shape is not shading. We will change to trapezoidal ditch. Similarly, please change point 44 to point 28. It works for upper one. Please change point 43 to point 27. It works for both, but the shape is not shading. Now let's change our link numbers. Change to masonry U ditch. Please change link 45 to link 36. Now it works again the shape, change to trapezoidal ditch. Please change link 53 to link 36. Now it works again the shape. By chance it overlap on our ditch bottom link. You can change ditch depth and check. Yes, it works. We have finished our undercut and replacement. Now let's give codes for some points and links. You can give any code name, but you have to remember it. For example, I gave crown 4 point number 1. I gave ETW 4 point number 2 means edge of travel way. The most important thing here is that you have to give similar code name for old datum or bottom links for our earthwork volume calculation. You will see it in Civil 3D now in this video. I already gave the codes for your time. I gave CEF code for both datum points and links. CF means nothing, but it refers to cut and fill, and also you can give any code name. As you have seen it, the red color is our datum links. 4.11 I gave a code name edge of paved shoulder, but in cut condition, because in fill condition our edge of paved shoulder will be the edge of widening. It is not necessary to give codes for this point except point 17. Point 17 is datum point, therefore I gave CF code. Again, we have to give code CF for link 103 because it is datum. I gave the other top points code offset, but you can give any name like ditch in or ditch out. And point 100 is datum, you have to give code CF. Point 27 and 28 are datum. And also link 35 and 36 are datum. You can give any code for shape. Please see the video for others. Again, point 52 is datum. You have to give code. It is not necessary to give codes for these links except link 67. Link 67 is datum link, therefore I gave CF code. Give codes for shoulder layers. Again, we have to give code for link 92 because it is datum. Now please give codes for each point and link for our daylight. You can give to codes but separate them by comma. Again, you have to give codes for all points and links of a bench. Please toggle on code to see and check your codes. Come to fill condition and do the same. Again, you have to give codes for all datum points and links. This is our widening edge, and I call it edge of paved shoulder. Before finishing our interesting subassembly, we have to give target, especially for offset. It uses for curve widening and bus bays. You can give any name but no space. I gave it offset edge of travel way. Its type is offset. You can give any number for preview value. Again, you can give elevation target if you have it. The other important thing is you have to give display name because it is visible in Civil 3D. Now come to our edge of travel waypoint, that is point number 2. Please give offset and elevation target. You see our preview is changed. But for me, I don't need elevation target. We have finished our powerful and interesting subassembly. Save it. Let's enjoy in Civil 3D with our subassembly. First, import our subassembly and replace the existing one. CAM's Engineering Final is our new subassembly, and keep similar targets. Check the surface and offset targets, then rebuild. I select 3 stations, which shows bench excavation, high fill, and bus bay for widening. This is bus bay. You can see how our offset target works. The reinforced concrete U ditch. And also our function for shoulder super elevation, see our cut and fill slope. All 4 layers are clearly shown for pavement and shoulder. Here you can see our bench. Since our pavement super elevation is greater than 7%, our shoulder slope is only 1% for drainage purpose. I think you remember it in our part 1 video. This is our fill condition. Now let's change our ditch to masonry U-shaped ditch. Let's add fill, undercut, and replacement. Let's delete on layer from shoulder. Simply change the by making 0 thickness. As you have seen, since the fill height is greater than 2 meter, our undercut is bilaterally. That means not full width, but only the toe part. If you want to change the decision, you can change to meter to other number here in Civil 3D. The other important thing is, as you have remember, we made 2 shapes, one for excavation and one for replacement at one place in fill undercut condition. This is the reason. Our ditches changed to masonry U-shaped ditch, and our shoulder layers changed to 3. You can also change all ditch dimensions, all cut and fill slopes, and so on. Let's change the ditch to trapezoidal. All parameters are changeable. And also check our cut, undercut, and replacement case. The ditch is changed. As you have seen it also works for cut condition replacement. "60 centimeters high fill widening is added. The last but the most important thing is our earthwork volume. Let's check it by building corridor surface. You see my datum code is coming here. Let's compute the earthwork. It is really fantastic. You can enjoy it by changing all the parameters as per the condition. 2 is a new YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much.